How are you? This is Junaid Khan, and in today's video I will be talking about DCA 20th March paper. Okay, so what is DCA? DCA is Digital Capability Assessment. Okay, so who are the peoples who are going to give digital capability assessment? Okay, who are those people? So this 20th March paper is for those only who have received their offer letter and didn't get joining letter, or who has got joining letter but didn't join the TCS. Okay, digital capability assessment. Sorry, writing is not good, I know, but just bear with me. Okay, assessment. Okay, so what is digital capability assessment? Digital capability assessment is like for the there are two profiles in TCS. First one is Ninja. Wait a minute. Ninja, and another one is digital. Okay, so let me tell you first the difference between in these two. Okay, and also be with me in this video. You all know that you might know or don't know that the like if you got the if you clear DCA 20th March paper and you have got the digital profile, and you might be getting 7 LPA or 7 LPA. Okay, 7 CTC, sorry, not LPA. Okay, if you might be getting 7 CTC or LP, might whatever it be. So you might not get for the whole in the lifetime of the TCS. Okay, so like if in the next final year of in the next year when you will be getting appraisal, at that point of time you should not get in the band like they have to, in TCS there are some bands in which you may lie or you don't lie. So you should not lie in those categories in which these digital like profile which you have got that might got be revoked. Okay, so you should not lie in those conditions. If you want to know what are those conditions, you should connect with me over the Telegram channel. I will post the link of my Telegram ID or over the description box. You can talk to me there. So you should not get to lie, you should not lie in that particular area in which you might get revoked your 7 LPA salary. No one wants to lose their salary, no one wants to lose their incentives. Okay, so just do your job in the TCS very well, and should lie in those two upper categories where you cannot get you where there are no chances to revoke your incentives. Okay, so nowadays this digital is treated as an incentive. Okay, so you should not lie in those two categories. So there are two profiles in TCS. First one is Ninja, and second one is digital. Okay, so there are two categories. Let me check why my mouse is not working properly. Okay, so for ninja profile it is 3.36 CTC, and for digital profile it is 7 LPA. Okay, so what's how the test is going to be, and how should you prepare for the DCA? So for the preparation part, there is not going to be any interview for you guys. Okay, so there is not going to be any interview for you guys. So how should you prepare for this? They have released some papers. Okay, for Python only they have released around 25 practice. Okay, 25 practice questions. And for Java people also they have released 25 questions, which I have gone through them. Okay, some of the associates have sent me those codes, so which I have gone through that, and I find out that the previous CPA or IPA or IRA questions were there. Okay, so previous CPA or IPA or IRA questions were there in this practice questions. Okay, so I have seen some question. I have got to know that from some associates in the IRC which they have taken for the DCA. It is just a practice IRC. This is the practice paper which they have taken like yesterday on 14th March. Okay, so it's just like a practice paper, and in this practice paper there are two questions. Okay, so first one question was on, I think, on array or array or string, and the second one question was on the this is the first question, and the second question was on the oops concept. It means a class and object question, and the questions which was given in Java or CPA. For the Java part, Java follows the OOP concept or class and object format, and the Python is in Python there are all 25 questions were also based on the OOPs. So you should prepare on OOPs and this arrow string. If you pass these two questions fully, pass their test cases, then only I think, not sure, okay, I think then only you can get correct DCA, because there is not going to be any interview, nothing. So not all people got DCA, not all people get 7 LPA as their salary, okay. So for this they might have give you tough questions. So how should you prepare for those questions? Okay, so let me tell you how should you prepare for it and which website you can refer, and there are around 4 to 5 days. How should you prepare for it? Let me tell you that. Okay, for the first question, you should go to the LeetCode website for the like array or string question. Okay, so for the array or string question, you should go to the LeetCode website and just log in there from your credentials and go to the problem section, and here you will find like algorithms question. Okay, just go to the algorithm questions, and from here sorry, what is happening? Yeah, no, it might be loading, just a wait a minute. Yeah, go to the algorithm section. Okay, so now it should open the algorithm section. Now from the algorithm section, just see here from topics like show more, just prepare array string. These two topics, array string, and might be if you got time, if you have time, so dynamic programming too, just prepare from here array, because like, and also you should prepare medium section question, not the easy level, not so much hard level question. Just prepare easy medium level question. Okay, from medium level question you should be able to solve all the questions, and you will be get to know how to solve them, how to do them. Okay, so just prepare medium level question from array, like 10 questions from array, 10 questions from string, 10 questions from dynamic programming. These questions are more than sufficient. And for the next section, like I always prefer explore idea website. I don't know who is the owner is. First, that website, this website name was kingcrab.net. I don't know who is he or she, but he or she or his team might have developed a good concept or good questions or previous CPA IPA questions. From there they have solved all the questions, and you can prepare for the OOP language. Like if I open CPA 11th March section, there you will find the question and you will be able to solve the question, and you will be able to find the answer of the practice question which was provided by the TCS. Okay, so don't get tension, don't get panic. You will easily get able to crack it, and you will be good to go. So this is the DCA paper for 20th March student who are going to appear on 20th March in DCA. But this is not the syllabus for the internal employees who is in the TCS. I will make another video for the internal employees of what's the syllabus and how should you prepare for it, because it is going to happen in April. So you might all wondering how to prepare for it. I will make another video, another separate video, because this video is different from the internal employees of TCS. So how should you prepare for it? I will make another video for that, and just be with me. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have this video helps you, please like it, share it, and if you need any help, please join my Telegram channel. There are a lot of people like you are in this that group, and they might help you in knowing something. If you need any help, or if you want any ask any personal question regarding TCS or anything, you can ask me in the on my personal chat. Okay, so I will provide you that link also. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel.